Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is August 13th, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, if you take a look at the price ladder there to the far left, I'll drag the mouse cursor over to it. You can see that we had 59 ticks that we finished today. Now, these are one-lot trades, and so 59 ticks on a one lot is a decent day. What I'm going to show you today is an 80-tick CL move. And so you say, well, gosh, 59 ticks, and you said you're going to show me an 80-tick CL move. Yes, I had two losing trades heading into this, and one break-even trade heading into this trade of the day that ended up going 80 ticks. And so I think it's important that I show you that not every time I show you one of these trade of the day videos do we finish at that level. Some days we might have actually done better. In this case, the 80-tick trade got us out of the hole, the 21-tick hole that I was in today, heading into that particular trade. Now, on the ES today, I get trail stopped out right here at this, let's see, it's back up here actually, at this 41.5. So the market rallies up into our structure target. And we were looking to hold on for this target down here at 28.5, 29.5. I get in based on the break of this quad bottom right here at 41.5, 28.41.5. I get trail stopped out at break even, and then the very next bar brings you all the way down to the low on the day. And we were looking to hold on at a minimum for this area as a target, but actually, sorry, we were talking minimum here at the structure signal, but we were also really talking about this 28, 29.5. So we were looking at a 12-point ES move that I get stopped out to the tick right there, or what was a good day could have been a really, really good day, right, as he searches around looking for additional adjectives. Anyway, one of the things that we talked about as we were getting started today, we had a sweet spot retracement up here at the structure mid, and we hit that level almost to the tick. I tried to get short in a couple of times off of these levels here. We took small stops, and we were looking for a target all the way down here to this level at 65. In fact, I brought it up to 69 so that we would have an even 80-tick move. We got in actually at 49, so right up here was the structure mid at 58. We looked to get in once it broke down through that, came up here, gave us another bar, and we got in short at 49, and the market sold off all the way down, of course, all the way down into this 70 area. We actually took our profit here at 69, right in this area here, for an 80-tick CL trade of the day. One of the things I want you to notice is how these levels performed heading into that area, right? You came down to the structure target, spent just a little bit of time around this structure signal. Market comes back, does one little head fake to the downside, and then rallies all the way back up to this structure mid where the market held, and then, of course, sold off to the downside. So what I'm going to show you here today is our CL trade of the day. I'm going to show you where we get in. I'm going to show you how we manage the trade. And then ultimately, I will let you see where it comes down and hits the target. Now, the trade lasted, gosh, this trade was, let's just take a look here. We got in right up here. We got up here in right around 10 o'clock. And it was finished here at around so it was almost an hour, about 10:55. So it was almost an hour-long trade. So instead of having you watch the entire trade, the entire hour-long trade, I cut it down, put some music behind it, and then let you watch that. Before I go, though, and get you into this trade of the day, let's turn on these overnight levels. We talked about the fact that these overnight levels would be necessary as we come into looking at this structure point, right? The after market open, the after pit open levels, we really exceeded the final extension. So you would then revert back to the bigger time frame overnight levels, and then we got to within, what is that, 71 down. So we got to within 10 ticks of that structure target below, and then the market rallies all the way back up again here, right, to kind of finish out the day. And so very interesting movement here today. We were able to catch a one lot for 80 ticks on the ride down. And so that is the trade of the day. So without further ado, here is your OTG trade of the day. I'm in at 49. Stop here will be 59.